Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to generate the stock reports BOE wise list in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the warehouse module. Here, we have to select the report WMS menu under the warehouse module. Now, we have to select the stock report BOE wise report. On the stock reports BOE wise list page, we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click the submit button. Now we can see the BOE number wise stock list. This is how to generate the stock report BOE wise list in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.